Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you have seen my last video, which I will discuss about the break statement, and now I will discuss about the continue word keyword used in Java. So what do you mean by continue keyword? In Java, continue statement is used in Java in loop structure. Okay, when you need to jump to next iteration of the loop immediately. If you need to jump to next iteration of loop immediately, then you have to use continue keyword. And continue keyword can be used for loop with for loop and while loop. So we will see the both we will check the continue statement both for loop and while loop. So let's start without wasting time, and for example, let's start with here for loop, and I will continue that here. This is the for loop. I'll start here. Okay. Let's run a condition for. Let's take int I is equal to 0. Okay. I less than equal to 10. Okay. Now I plus plus. You know very well. This is the condition of for loop. This is a way of using the for loop. We have taken and we initialize I is equal to 0, then the expression, and then this. Now we will use a condition, if condition here. If I double equal to 5. So let's run this condition. Let's check if I double equal to 5 means if I is equal to 5, then what should we do? We will apply continue here, and so we forgot to mention one thing, and that thing is okay, and here we can also use this. So if I double equal to 5, then the loop should be continued. And here what we do, what we will print this out, system dot out print line I. So let's try and run this program and see what happens. And so you will see, and once again I will run it again. Okay. Now I will run it again. So you will see 0. We have changed 0 to 10 values. But where is 5? We don't have 5 because we have initialized if I equal to 5. If I equal to 5, then continue. Then skip this statement and continue on the rest of the statement. This is the meaning of continue. If this thing is exists we have in this loop, then skip this and continue on the rest of the statement. And this we will use or continue in the this Java programming for loop. And the next we have is while loop. We can use this in the while loop also. So what we will do now, we will use while loop. So let's take int I is equal to 0 for example. While now we will run a condition while okay, while I is less than equal to 10. Let's take 10. Okay. Then what happened? Then it will run a condition like uh, yes. If if now the condition will run. If I double equal to 5. If y double equal to 5, then what it should be do? Then it will continue. Okay, and this should be. And now what gonna happen? Now it should print system dot out dot print line. Okay, now here I. Okay, then then there will should be an increment for the every loop structure, and then we will increment after every loop. This should be the way. Okay, let's try and run what's gonna happen, and let's see if this is running or not. Okay, so the result here is shown 0 to 4, but why? We have run the program as it should be on while loop, because this is the basic syntax for the while. But let's run it again with I will tell you. We have taken integer I is equal to 0, and we have run a condition while I less than equal to 10. Then if then here I will run a condition if I double equal to 5. If I is equal to 5 means that I is 5, then it should be continuous. But if I is equal to 5, then it should be continue, and then it should be print out. Then it is printing out. Then okay, that's it. But if I is equal to 5, then we have should take increment, because and there is something then this is something we should do. If I is all equal to 5, then in this curly bracket there should be increment of every loop when it is not actually made up to our condition. That is, that should be less than 10. Okay. Now we'll try and run this program again. So now you will see the result is 10 here, and we have skipped the 5, and we have skipped the 5, and this is the way you can do in while loop. So thank you so much for watching this. If you like my video, please do follow Neer H, and do support me, and thank you so much for watching me. There's a thumbs up also. If you have any question regarding this, please do leave a comment in comment box, and thank you so much.